All right, there's the grinder. That's the new one right there. Good old Made in China, number 22. There's my grinder that I've had, and that's a LEM number 8 grinder. So, in the process of getting a grinder, the number 8 was good, but the number 22 will grind up a lot more meat. In fact, here's the, let me get a good, there we go. There's the difference between the two plates. Small one here's the number 8. This is a number 22. There's a big difference in how much meat can go through that thing. Now this one here, the auger, as you can see, it starts off and then it gets finer and finer. So this came with 2 plates, a number 22 6mm, that's a smaller one, and then here's an 8mm, and I ordered an additional 4.5mm for the finer grind for ground beef. It came with 2 cutters. Now I'll show you the difference. There's the bum right there. Hey Darth, are you a bum? Are you a bum? Yeah, he's a good boy though. Let me get the grinder, or I mean the auger for the number 8. Show you the difference between the two. You see there's quite a bit of difference. So I don't show one up close and one far away. If I can get it to focus right. Probably not. Yeah, there is a big difference between them two. This thing will grind up a lot more meat than that number 8 will. And I was happy with it. Let's see, I've ground up 2, 4, 6. That number 8's ground up 6 steers and probably 15 pigs. And still running strong. But it's kind of hard if you catch any sinewy stuff and that, it doesn't work quite as well. So that's the best I can do on lessons on grinder lessons. Alrighty, take care.